morning, children. How are you? Thank God for another wonderful day. Today we have mathematics with the topic profit and loss. Profit and loss. In our previous lesson, we treated circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Children, what is circumference? Okay, very good. Circumference is distance round a circle. Distance round a circle. Today we have profit and loss. Children, what is profit? Profit is when the selling price is higher than the cost price. When the selling price is higher than the cost price. I know that some of you, their parents are traders and have their business selling and buying, in which they make profit and at times loss. Good. Loss. Loss is when the cost price is higher than the selling price. When the selling cost price is higher than the selling price. Now we are going to work it out how to get profit. Now we have some examples on how to. Now we have some examples on the board. Good. Let's go. If you look at example 1, it says Mr. Oku bought 3 packets of marker for 500 naira and sold them for 600 naira. Find his profit. He's trying to tell us that this Mr. Oku bought this kind of marker, 3 packets, and 3 of them is what? 500 naira. And on selling them, he sold 3 of them 600 naira. He says find his profit. So let's calculate his profit. Good. We are going to work it this way. CP means cost price. Cost price. That is what we mean by CP, which is 500 naira. SP means selling price. Selling price, which is 600 naira. Now we are going to equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to 600 naira minus 500 naira. 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Put your decimal. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. So you can now see that Mr. Oku made a profit of 100 naira from the 3 packets of marker he bought. Okay. Equal to 100 naira. Okay. Let's go over to example 2. And example 2 says a shopkeeper bought 100 books for 15 naira. 10 out of that 100 were burnt. He sold the rest at 20 kobo each. Find his profit or loss. Good. You can now see these are the books. These are the books the shopkeeper bought. These are the books. They are up to 100 here. But out of this 100, 10 were burnt. And he sold the remaining 90 at 20 kobo each. Let's work it out and see whether he made profit or loss. Okay. Let's go. That is 100 books minus 10 books will give us 90 books. And these 90 books, it says 20 kobo, which sold one of these books 20 kobo. So it's now going to be 90 times 20, which will now give us, let's work it out, times 20. 0 times 0 will give us 0. 0 times 9 will give us 0. 2 times 0 will give us 0. 2 times 9 will give us 18. We bring down 0, 0, 8, 1. You can see that it's now 1,800 kobo. So we are going to change it into naira because 100 kobo will give us 1 naira. So how do we do it? We say that is 1,800 over 100, 0, 0, 0, 0. It will now remain 80 naira. So we can now see that that 90 books, he sold them at 80 naira. Okay, now let's work it out. You can now see CP equal to 15 naira, SP equal to 80 naira. So you can now see that when you look at the figure, that you can now see he made some profit because this is 18 against 15. So you can now see that there is profit. So let's work it out. Equal to 18 minus P minus CP equal to '" the profits, as we said, SP minus CP, which gave us 18 minus 15 is 3 naira. So you can now see that the shopkeeper made a profit of 3 naira after selling the 90 books at 20 kobo each. Very good. Let's go up to example 3 and let's read. Says, I bought a wristwatch for 1,000 naira and sold it for 800 naira. What is my gain or loss? Example 3. I bought a wristwatch for 1,000 naira and sold it for 800 naira. What is my gain or loss? We are going to work it out. This is the wristwatch. I went to the market. You can see this watch. Look at the watch. I went to the market and bought this watch. How much? 1,000 naira. And at a stage, I don't want this watch again. I wanted to sell it off, and I sold it at 800 naira. So let's work it out and see whether I made profit or gain. Good. So, children, remember that CP means, let's see whether I made profit or loss. Let's work it out. Remember that CP means cost price, which is 1,000 naira. SP, which is the selling price, equal to 800 naira. Equal to 800 naira. Then, when you look at these two figures, you can see that 1,000 naira is bigger than 800 naira, which means that one will suggest to you that there is a loss. So for that reason, you can see that it's going to be a loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP, which is 1,000 naira minus 1,000 naira minus 800 naira. 0 minus 0 will give us 0. 0 minus 0 will give us another 0. You can 0 minus 8, which you know it cannot. You carry that one and join to it, it becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 will give us what? 2. Which is 200 naira. So you can see from this that we made a loss. I made a loss of 200 naira. So children, you can now see that example 3 that I made a loss of 200 naira. Children, did you understand our lesson? Good. I want to ask you a question. Children, what is the difference between loss and what is the difference between selling price and cost price? Good. That's wonderful. Yes. Selling price is when you are selling something, and cost price is when you are buying. Children, we said that selling price is the amount you sold some products, while cost price is the amount you purchase some items. Okay, let's go to our homework. Number 1, it says, I bought a clock for 2,000 naira and sold it for 1,800 naira. What is my gain or loss? Good. Number 2, an article which we bought for 15,000 naira was sold for 20,000 naira. Find if gain. Number 3, a man bought 100 eggs for 15 naira. He sold the rest at 30 kobo each. Find his profit or loss. With this, children, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Make sure you do your homework. Keep safe.